We have a transparent, cost-effective solid waste management system to help protect the environment. Our Made in PEI system is being used as a benchmark for other jurisdictions. We're the first province to achieve the target of 50% diversion for waste from both residential and commercial waste. In 2010, we diverted over 60% of our waste. Now, if we included what we put through our energy from waste facility, which really can't be counted for diversion, despite the fact that we're using that waste to generate heat, that number would be over 85%. Island Waste Management obtains all the funds required to operate via a levy put in place at each home, apartment, unit and cottage in PEI. It collects a fee for various waste materials at our final disposal sites and at our waste drop-off centres. The first 5 years, the corporation operated with losses each year. From 2004 to present, the corporation has managed to show a profit each year and currently has retained earnings of almost $1 million. We only have one provincial landfill in the province, and it's a fully lined landfill. We have a full source separated program. Every home and business in the province is on our program. We have a central composting facility. We also have a deposit and return system for beverage containers. 1 week we'll collect the waste cart, the next week we'll collect the compost cart. We don't do collections at the commercial side. Island Waste Management collects fees based on the weight of the waste taken to the disposal facilities by the commercial hauler. And we have a green aisle recycling facility where all household hazardous waste, paint, chemicals, pesticides, automotive batteries, disposal batteries, electronic waste are sorted and sent to proper disposing facilities. They basically take all the blue bag material, all your paper, glass, metal, and plastics 1 through 6. And they bale that and ship it into recycling markets. Over 16,100 bottles per bale and over 8 million bottles collected in PEI per year. In addition to that, we have the PEI energy system, which is an energy from waste plant. We pay them for disposing of the waste roughly $65 a ton for them to take the waste. They in turn convert that to steam energy and pipe it underground to various facilities. 30,000 tons per year waste is used to generate heat energy for the Queen Elizabeth Hospital, UPEI and other public buildings, reducing public costs for heating and cooling these buildings. The byproducts from that process is fly ash, which is basically the high-end flash is basically shipped off island for disposal, and bottom ash.
Behind me here is the main wood feed conveyor. It carries wood up to the top of the boiler house, and it gets fed into the boiler just about here. Yeah. It dries up there. Yeah. You move it down a little bit further, it actually ignites. Get the better burn. Yeah, starts to burn. Keep moving it down, and as it moves down through the cell, you basically get the ash, yeah, and then you cool it. This is actually the wood-fired system, yeah. Oh. The garbage is a little higher energy content on a per ton basis, but it's much tougher to deal with. We want to put garbage in, get energy out, and have ash come out the back end. The technology that we're using here is called two-stage starved air combustion. You cook the garbage in the primary chamber, the gases come up into the secondary chamber right behind you, you put oxygen in there, and you burn those gases off.
The big thing on the agenda now is waste reduction through stewardship programs. The onus is on the manufacturer to pay for the disposal of the materials after they're done.